Dear traders, in this video I'm going to explain you about a new simple indicator that will be combined with a new trend indicator to show you that how easy it is to make money by using the right and perfect indicators in the trading view. Here I will be telling you that how you can make money by using the simple strategy that I will be adding it into our video today. Okay. For this, I want to tell you that which broker I'm using for my trading. Before that, I want to add it that this strategy can not only be used for the Forex but also for crypto and stock market. And now let's move towards the broker that I want to tell you that which broker I'm using for my trading. That is XNES. If you want to open your account with XNES, you will have the 5 options of accounts. They are standard, standard cent, raw spread, zero and pro account. And they are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods. Plus, they give you maximum profit for your each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. So if you're interested to open your account with XNES, you can get the link in the description of this video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here I am using Euro USD chart with 5 minutes time frame, and the indicator that we are using here is the first indicator is Bollinger Bands Percentile by Algo Alert 770. You have to simply click on it by adding it onto your chart, and here you can see this indicator is added into our chart. Now we will go into the settings tab of this indicator. To change few of the settings, the length that we need is 10 only instead of 20, and the source that we are using here is open, and rest of the things are same. So click OK to set it according to our requirement. Now I am just increasing its height to make you clear that how does it work. Okay. The first thing that I want to tell you that whenever you have to take the sell trade, you have to look towards this line. Middle line should reach towards this bright red color line, and this sell should give you, this indicator should give you the sell indicator so that you can trade it for the bearish trend. Okay, let's suppose here. So for example, if we have taken our trade from here, then our market has gone till here. So you have earned your maximum profit from here till here. One thing you have to remember is that this strategy or these indicators or the combination of these indicators, that I will be adding one more indicator by the end of this discussion, and I will tell you that how you can make it more easy. Okay. So whenever you are using it, I want to show you that with the help of this indicator, you will be able to see that your trade will become more smoother than when you are using it without any indicator, right? So for example, here if we go, let's suppose if I am making it a bit short, then we have to look towards this, that whenever your market will reach towards this green color band and this indicator is giving you the buy signal, then you have to take your trade from here, and you will be able to see that from here your market is moving up, and this strategy is only can be used for the scalping or for the short trades. That is why I have taken the time frame 5 minutes here. Okay, one more thing that I want to show you, that if you want to add one more indicator to make your trade more clear, or to take the decision that whether we have to take the trade here or not, then you have to add one more indicator into this strategy, and that is trend following moving averages by Lonnie Som, and 3,934 traders are using this indicator. So simply click on it, it will be added into your chart. Now you have to check first of all that whenever your market will be in between these all green color lines, it means that you have to take the uptrend or the bullish trend, and when your market is in between these all red color lines, it means that your market trend is down. So what you have to do, basically you have to look towards your this indicator plus these moving averages. If your all moving averages are in the red color, it means you have to take the sell trade. And when your market is among the all green color lines, that till now it is not here, but here I can show you where it is. For example, here, then you have to move towards this side and you have to take the uptrend. I am sure that you are clear about these two concepts now, and you will be applying it on your own trade as well according to all the requirements of these two indicators which I have mentioned into this video. And hopefully you will earn your maximum profit by following these all instructions that I have shared with you in this video. So do use it for your own trading, and do not forget to like and subscribe this video. Thank you and good luck.